Stop packing tubes manually and automate your tube packing with Cerulean. With the ability to pack up to 120 tubes per minute, the brand new affordable tube packing machine from Cerulean can efficiently place collapsible tubes into cartons. The newly designed pusher bar transfers tubes from the transfer belt into the carton without causing any damage or contamination. The machine has the ability to handle laminate, plastic, and aluminium tubes and can be configured to pack the tubes in a choice of layouts for efficient unloading. Empty cartons are automatically fed into the machine as one carton is filled, maximizing productivity. Filled cartons are ejected from the rear of the machine for easy access. The FPS120s. Automate your tube manufacturing line today.